Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today on my desk I have an exclusive product to show you all. This is Asus's brand new Zenfone Max Pro M2. It's their newest mid-range smartphone that comes with a premium design and offers some really nice specs for the price. So the new Zenfone Max Pro M2 comes in this sort of box packing. I really like this fresh look of the box, it's way better than the previous one. Let's see what's written on it. You've got the Zenfone Max Pro branding on all the sides, and at the back we've got some specs of this product. The model number is ZB630KL, comes in two colors. I've got the blue color model. This is 4+64GB variant, also comes in 3+32 and 6+64. It's got a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with a notch, Snapdragon 660 CPU clocked at 1.95 GHz, 12+5MP dual camera setup at the back, and a 13MP camera on the front. So those were the specs of this phone. And yeah, it also comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery. So those were some of its highlights. The specs look quite promising, can't wait to check out the phone. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. I wanna thank Asus for sending me this product for review. Alright, let me just remove this cover. There you go. So this is how the box packing looks like. Let's open the box and check out the phone. So this is how the inside looks like. It says "We love photo" at the top. Must be an accessory box. Let's open it and see what do we have in there. Okay, you've got a SIM ejection tool here with the Asus branding on it, some paperwork which includes a user manual. Make sure to read that for all the info on the product, and looks like you also get a case for the phone. Let me take it out and show you. So you get a free transparent silicone case for your phone, and the quality looks nice. Let me just keep it aside, and here it is, our Zenfone Max Pro M2. Comes nicely packed in this car. The packing style looks just like any other Asus phone, and I've got the blue color variant. On the front side you've got some details regarding the phone. It's powered by Snapdragon 660 AIE processor, has a 5000 mAh battery, and comes with the new Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Now that's a surprise, can't wait to check out the phone. Let me take it out of this car. So here is Asus's brand new Zenfone Max Pro M2. And holy moly, just look at that finishing! Wow, it looks so beautiful! The Max Pro M2 has a premium curved glossy finish at the back. Love those reflections. And coming to the front, this is how it looks like. It's got a 6.26-inch Full HD Plus display with a notch, has a 19:9 aspect ratio, and 83% screen to body ratio. At the top, you got a 13MP front camera, a selfie LED flash, an earpiece, and some sensors. That's it, there's nothing else on the front. I have to say the back looks really gorgeous, and I also like this new color on the phone. You've got the Asus branding here, a fingerprint scanner above that, and at the top left you've got the dual camera setup. The top one is a secondary 5MP depth sensor, and this one is the primary 12MP f1.8 camera. Below that you've got a single tone LED flash. Talking about the build quality is excellent. The back of the phone looks like glass, but I'm not 100% sure as the company has not specified anything. On the right side you got a power button and a volume rocker above that. The quality of the buttons is nice, feel tactile and clicky. There's nothing at the top except the secondary noise cancellation mic. On the left side you got a SIM card slot. It's a triple slot SIM card tray. Supports 2 nano SIM cards and also a micro SD card. And at the bottom you got a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a regular micro USB port, and a speaker. It would have been awesome if the company would have gone with a Type-C instead. So that was our first look and overview on the design and build quality of the new Zenfone Max Pro M2. Now let me also show you the other stuff that you get along with the phone. You get a 5V 2A power adapter for charging the phone, and a regular micro USB cable. So those are all the items you got in the box. Now let me power on the phone and see if it's got some juice in it. By the time it boots up, let's go through the specs. The Zenfone Max Pro M2 has a 6.26-inch Full HD Plus display with a notch and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. It's powered by Snapdragon 660 AIE processor clocked at 1.95 GHz, has Adreno 512 GPU, comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. At the back, it's got a 12MP f1.8 camera with an IMX486 sensor and a secondary 5MP depth sensor. On the front, it's got a 13MP camera with a f2.0 aperture. The Max Pro M2 comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery and weighs around 175 grams. Alright guys, I'm back. The phone has finally booted up and I've also gone through the setup process. First, let me tell you about the comfort and the in-hand feel. The Max Pro M2 feels quite comfortable to hold in hand thanks to that curved body. It's got a fingerprint scanner at the backside and also supports face unlock. I've already set up the fingerprint scanner. Let's see how it performs. Nice! It's actually quite fast. The fingerprint scanner was working well almost all the time and unlocks the phone instantly. Asus has definitely improved the speed on this one. Now let's check out the display. It's got a 6.26-inch Full HD Plus display with a notch, and it definitely looks good from my first impressions. It's got thin bezels, the screen looks sharp, crisp, and the colors also look vibrant. The Max Pro M2 runs on stock Android and there's zero bloatware on it. The phone feels snappy and the UI is also very smooth while navigating. Let me show you the About Phone section. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and here's the Easter egg. The security patch it's running is October 2018. So those were the software details. Coming to the storage, this is a 64GB variant, and out of the box you get around 53GB of usable space. I've already installed some apps on it and still left with 52.4GB of free space. So that's it guys, that was our unboxing and first look at the Zenfone Max Pro M2. The phone looks quite good from my first impressions. It's got a premium feel and offers some decent specs. We'll have to see how it performs and stacks up with the competition. So I'll be using this phone for a few days, after which I'll share my experience and give my full review on it. In the full review video, we'll talk about the display, daily usage, performance, camera quality, and also battery life. So stay tuned for that. Coming to the pricing details, I'm not sure about the price because this phone was under embargo while making this video, but I'm guessing it will be priced for somewhere around 15 to 18,000 rupees. I'll keep you guys updated about the exact price in the comment section down below. So that's it for today, hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.